Hi everybody, welcome to week one. Week one is a short week. It only runs from September 4th through September 6th. Our weeks normally will go from Monday through Friday. You will see a video of this type at the beginning of each of the weeks that just introduces you to the week, what's happening that week, the assignments, the activities, just the what's up during that particular week. So it opens up with just a diagram of a big visual of all the different words when we think of psychology, and just introducing you to Psychology Comes Alive. So go ahead and read that introduction. Every week we'll have a checklist that if you open up will give you all the different items that are happening that week. So the first one to get started is you're going to read an article on Netiquette, which looks at the proper rules and guidelines to help you be a better, a more effective, efficient, online communicator in our discussion boards. There's lots of rules and appropriateness to those rules, so please go ahead and read that article first. These are the expectations for our discussions. Here, of all our discussions, each of our discussion boards are worth 10 points. All of that details are all found on the syllabus, in more detail. If we then move to meeting your instructor, there's a couple of videos there that I would like you to watch. I'll move to those in just a second. I'd ask you to take a tour of D2L on your own, even though in the previous video, not just the one I introduced myself, but the one that I take you on a tour. But go ahead and look at all of that. Look at the announcements page, getting started, your unit week, which consists of weeks 1 through 4, syllabus, and course schedule. Our first discussion this week will discuss a time when you met someone and thought that something was just not right about them. Sometimes we meet individuals and we just feel something's up. Something in our gut tells us that something's going on. So if you head to our main page on week 1, you'll see all the details of that discussion. And then we're going into, lastly, we're going to define psychology. Of course, as a psychology student, understanding the definition of psychology is important. And that will be the wrap-up of week 1. So if you again go back into week 1, you'll see the checklist which we just went through. Here is your discussion board. If you click this will take you right to our discussion board. And you'll be answering these questions again. When you met someone and something wasn't right, what did you see? What did you notice? How did it make you feel? And then lastly, again, is the defining psychology as well. So that should sum up week 1. Any questions on that? Give me an email and let me know. Thanks, and I hope you guys have an awesome week.